Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Why is the ground surface of a switchyard substation covered with gravel? The ground surface of a switchyard or substation is typically covered with gravel for several important reasons. Electrical insulation. Gravel is a poor conductor of electricity, which helps to reduce the risk of electrical faults and enhances safety by providing insulation between the ground and electrical equipment. Drainage. Gravel allows for effective drainage of rainwater and runoff, preventing water accumulation that could lead to flooding or erosion. Proper drainage is crucial to maintain the integrity of the electrical equipment and the overall safety of the substation. Stability and support. The gravel provides a stable surface that can support the weight of heavy equipment and structures. It helps prevent settling or shifting of equipment over time. Fire resistance. Gravel is non-combustible, which helps reduce the risk of fire spreading in the event of an electrical fault or equipment failure. Maintenance. Gravel surfaces are easier to maintain than grass or soil, which may require regular mowing or could become muddy and difficult to navigate. Visibility. The contrast of gravel against the electrical equipment and structures can improve visibility, making it easier for maintenance personnel to identify issues or hazards. Overall, the use of gravel in switchyards and substations is a practical choice that enhances safety, functionality, and maintenance.